everyone, welcome back to Drawing for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing the crown chick. I'm really excited to be drawing this because I think it'll be so much fun. And of course, as always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're going to get started. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. Okay, so let's start by maybe drawing the head of the chick, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I have my black marker. I'm going to draw a circle. And it's not a full circle. I'm not going to have it meet at the end here. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap right there. Okay, now we have the head of the chick. Next, I'm going to draw its beak. It's going to be 2 triangles. And here you can start to decide, do you want a big beak for the chick, or do you want a smaller one? Do you want a round one? I'm going to draw his eyes. Here I have an oval but not connected at the end, and a little V right here. Little triangle going in, and I'm coloring it in. Of course, if you like, you can use different colors to color in his eyes, or you can add in a different color into the eye to create a little pupil that's different color. There you go. Okay, so now I have my chick. Now I'm going to start working on the body. Before I start working on the body, I guess I'll just do a little bit of their feathers, and I'll do 3 big loops here. Ta-da! There's the wing of the chick, and then I'll do the body, which will be a circle that connects from there to there. Here you go. There you go. So he has a very round belly, and then I'm going to do 3 little loops on the other side to represent his wings. He's really happy and he's swinging his arms back up. As we're doing this, I'm also going to do his feet. So is he going to be standing still for your little chick, or is he going to be walking around? Is he going to be jumping? Mine's going to be walking. Where is he going to be walking to? This is a good time for starting to think about the story of what your drawing is trying to tell. Is he going to the market? Is he going to school? Is he going to the swimming pool for a swim? And of course, a crown chick would not be complete without a crown. So here's my crown. Of course, you can have flowers, butterflies, or you can have shiny diamonds for your crown, but mine's pretty simple here with 3 pointed ends. I'm also going to add a scepter for him, because I feel like a crown chick would not be complete without a scepter. If you want, you can have a wand, or maybe, what else would a crown chick be holding? Why don't you use your imagination and think about what you would draw for him to hold on to? On the other side of his wing, you can draw another object he could be holding to. Where is he going to? Think about the story, and maybe if he's going to a park, is he having a picnic? Maybe he needs a basket, and you can draw in the background as well. Here I'm going to start coloring in his beak. I feel like I'm going to keep this chick probably white, but I'm going to use yellow to color in the crown. You can use multiple colors or rainbow color if you want for the rainbow crown as an option. The point is to have fun with this drawing, so you can use your imagination, and there's no wrong answer here. You can color in a little bit of a aqua turquoise color for the scepter he's holding. Okay, so this is just what I have so far. He looks a little plain to me, so I think I might add in something for him to wear. Should I put a necklace around him? Or maybe I should put a jacket around him? Why don't I put in a fur coat? So I'm going to do a fur collar. And then I'm going to add in his fur coat. So I'll keep him warm. It's going to be winter time for him and he's off for a walk. So here's his sleeves. I'm going to add a little fur to the edge of his sleeve. And buttons as well, so he can button himself up. Do you have a jacket like this as well? Now next I need to decide on the color for his fur coat. What kind of color do you think I should add? Should I have a Technicolor rainbow color coat? I think I'll start with red for now. Red seems like a very royal color, so let's start with that. From here, of course, you can use your imagination and think about what you want your crown chick to be wearing, or maybe draw in a background. He might be in a castle. And how is the weather like where he is? Is he experiencing a very wonderful day at the market with sunny weather, or maybe it's winter time with lots of snow coming down? Well, those are just some ideas, and I hope you enjoy this drawing of the crown chick. For now, I'm gonna finish up coloring here, but I'll let you take your imagination where it may go, and I hope you will come up with a beautiful drawing that you will love to share with your friends and family. If you have any comments or suggestions for another drawing I can do in the future, please ask your parents to leave a comment below, and I'll love to take some suggestions for the future drawings. Until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful creative day. Take care and stay safe.